One of the world's largest motor shows has kicked off in New Delhi, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying India's automotive industry is, quote, future ready. And it looks like electric vehicles might be driving that future, going by the big reviews from car makers so far. Neha Poonia with this report.
This could be the biggest carnival in town, drawing car enthusiasts from all around the country and the world. 800 exhibitors are expected, with 100 new product launches all across the next 5 days. The show hopes to restart a sector that has seen sales slow to a 4-year low. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi was there to give the show a turbo boost.
भारत में मोबिलिटी के फ्यूचर को ड्राइव करने वाले कई फैक्टर्स हैं, जैसे भारत की सबसे बड़ी युवा आबादी, मिडिल क्लास का लगातार बढ़ता दायरा, तेजी से होता अर्बनाइजेशन, भारत में बन रहा आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, मेक इन इंडिया से अफोर्डेबल व्हीकल, ये सारे फैक्टर्स भारत में ऑटो सेक्टर की ग्रोथ को पुश करने वाले हैं, नई ताकत देने वाले हैं.
A big draw on day one was Japan's Suzuki Motor Corporation's global unveiling of its first ever electric SUV. The Japanese car giant says it's betting big on the country as part of its plans to expand around the world.
We have chosen India as a global manufacturing base due to its quality product and scale merit. And this is exactly the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi for Make in India. We plan to begin production of the exhibitor in the coming few months at Mount Suzuki's Gujarat plant. From here, we will export to more than 100 countries of the world.
Electric mobility is the big buzzword at this event, with two-wheelers and futuristic electric tuk-tuks drawing big crowds. Automakers are rapidly trying to align their strategies with India's goal to have EVs account for 30% of all vehicle sales by 2030, from just under 3% right now. Car makers at this event aren't just launching and unveiling new electric cars, they're also talking about building an ecosystem for electric mobility. A big barrier for Indian consumers is not just the cost of an electric vehicle, but also the lack of charging infrastructure. Suzuki, for example, says it's going to give its customers access to fast charging support across 1,000 cities so that a charging station becomes accessible every 5 to 10 kilometers. The Chinese automobile industry is also back for the first time in nearly 5 years, as New Delhi and Beijing mend ties soured over deadly border clashes. It's delighted car makers who hope the two Asian giants can work together to build supply chains and source raw materials for zero-emission cars. India is the world's third largest auto market, but growth has slowed from weaker demand and the implementation of stricter safety and emission regulations that have made cars less affordable. So much is riding on this motor show to help the sector shift gears. Neha Poonia, CNA, New Delhi.